Today we're looking at a simple way to build a faceless income without any burnout. Now this method is awesome, okay? So I'm going to share with you proof of the concept. I'll show you how simple it is and we'll break it all down. Here's my guarantee as always. Watch this video till the end, and if you do, you'll know exactly how you can set this whole method up today. And as always, I'm going to share with you some tools and resources to speed up the entire process, okay? So we're not going to mess about. We don't have, fancy edits and stuff on this channel. We just share simple, straightforward methods. So I have currently got a freebie which I give away. The method I'm going to share with you today comes from the blueprint in here. I'm going to go through it, okay? So if you want this, by the way, there'll be a link on the page somewhere you can go ahead and get this, okay? But the method we're going to be looking at today is not method number one. It's going to be this over here, which is model 2, okay? And I'll show you my channel as well so you can see this, and I'll share with you some numbers, okay? So we are looking at today the faceless TikTok to digital product funnel. Might sound overcomplicated. It's not. We'll break it down, okay? I'll make it as simple as possible for you. So with this method, how this all works is we are creating short form, potentially viral TikTok or Reels. So we don't just have to use TikTok for this. We can be using Facebook, YouTube Shorts, even Pinterest, Instagram, and many more platforms. The whole concept is very straightforward and simple. We are creating these free faceless videos. A lot of the time we can use AI for this with no face, no voice needed. And the aim of it is to drive people to either a digital product, a mini course, a template, or an ebook. Why? Well, I'll show you the potential of this, okay? So if I scroll down here, this covers why it works and all the other stuff, but I want to show you this, okay? So inside of here, these are all of the different tools that you can use with this. I'll show you the tools that I'm using with this method, but we'll also look at the potential income of this method, okay? So you can see over here, income potential with this method, okay? If we are getting 5,000 views daily on our faceless videos, and we have a 1% conversion rate, which is on the low end, and we're sending that traffic over to a $27 product, the potential with this is 4 grand a month. And then you can go into La La Land and look at 15,000 views and 50,000 views, and we'll be earning 100k. But let's focus on getting to a grand. let's focus on that, okay? So this is what we're looking at today, and there's many more methods that you can do with this, okay? So let's come out of here. Let's come out of here, and let's start at the beginning. So let's come over here. First of all, I'll show you the TikTok. So I've got a TikTok doing this method. We did it as a case study for Faceless Freedom. So this over here is my Faceless account, okay? And we are always trialing and testing this and, doing different methods, okay? And again, I'll walk you through it. But you can see on here, all of these videos have been done with AI, okay? I am not on camera. I am not speaking. These videos literally take less than a minute to create these. And you can see we've got 700, 200, 200, 700, 700, 200, etc. Okay? So this doesn't take a lot of time at all. If anything, I spend an hour, if that, at the beginning of the week, and we schedule 2 to 3 weeks worth of content with this method, okay? So we're creating faceless videos. Now remember, the aim of this is we're not focused on getting monetized on TikTok. That's just a byproduct of this. We're focused on digital products. Now I have been playing around with sending people over to a Beacons page, and I've also been playing around with sending them directly over to my school platform. So let me show you the Beacons page, and again, this is free. So over here, this is what it looks like on the inside of Beacons, okay? This is what it looks like on the back end. On the front end, to people who land over here, this is how it looks, okay? So what I am doing here, and what I've been doing on this account over here, is I have been creating these videos and directing them over to the Beacons page. And then more recently, we've switched it from sending them over to here and sending them over directly to Faceless Freedom over here. So people will click the link over on TikTok and they'll actually land now on the About page of Faceless Freedom, okay? And we're monetizing. It says it's free, but we are monetizing within the community as well. But you can do this. You can do this with a community. You can do this with digital products that you create in Canva, or get ChatGPT to create for you, or any. There's loads of ways you can do this, and you can see these are the different products that we have got over on beacons over here, okay? And beacons, again, like I said, it's free. So we're going to start at the beginning of this method, okay? So first of all, we need to create, well, first of all, you need to decide on a category or a niche. So the one I have gone for over here, says it at the top, is faceless marketing. So I am creating content around faceless marketing, and then I'm sending them to one of two places. Either my Faceless Freedom community, which is in line with this, or I am sending them over to my beacons page over here, which is where they can go ahead and get access to different tools and resources for creating an income with faceless content, whether that's the viral video cloner, whether it's viral thread builder, prompt reel, and other things. So this is the niche or the category. It's faceless marketing. Okay, so we've got the niche, we've got the products, we've got everything built out over on this website over here called Beacons AI. It's free. So you've got two options now. So when it comes to creating these videos, I use a piece of software. There'll be a link on the page somewhere. You can test it out for free. I've even got a 4-day free workshop walking you through how to get the best from it and loads more. So the software I use is this one over here. Hopefully it's going to load. This one. It's called Syllabi, okay? It's bloody brilliant. You can test it out absolutely for free. I've been using this for 18 months now, and I've got three. I've now got 3 monetized YouTube accounts using this software, okay? But how it works is really straightforward and simple. See over here where it says turn text into engaging videos. I will come into here like so. And this is what I'll do at the start of the week, or on a Sunday, if I forget. So I'll come over here. I'm going to say I want a faceless video. Now, down here, we've got all these different categories, okay? But first, I need a script. So I'm going to get it to do me a script. So I'm going to put, what I'm going to put? I'm going to put a script about why people should be building a faceless brand online. Include, and this is the important part, okay, include a CTA. CTA stands for call to action. So at the end of the video, we are going to be prompting people to take an action. So in this example, because what we've got in the link at the minute, we're sending people over to Faceless Freedom, over to our community. We are going to say over here, include a CTA to my community on school called Faceless Freedom. Faceless Freedom. Okay? Straightforward and simple. Okay, so now I'm going to hit on here. I'm just going to say do a script. Okay, so it's going to do a script for me. And you can see it's done me a really short script. Okay, now you see here, the reason why it's so short is because of the time down here. So it's 30 seconds. You can make these longer or shorter. Okay, it's entirely up to you. For now, for the purpose of this video and speeding up, we'll keep it on 30 seconds. So I'm happy with that. Over on the left hand side, you've got all of these styles or presets. And basically, whichever one of these you click, it will take this script over here. It will create a unique video around this style, okay? And if I click on view more, you can see there's loads, there's absolutely loads in here, okay? For this one, I'm going to go with hyperrealism, okay? Then you see over here where it says the, what is that called? The subtitle, forgot it. The subtitle on here, you can change the color of the subtitle. You can also change the text, and you can also change the position. I'll just go over at the bottom. We've got voiceovers. English, male, female, different languages, different nationalities, even different ages. Okay, so you can go through, and if you want to listen to any of them, you just simply click on the play button and it'll play it for you. Okay, so I'm just going to find one that I've used before. I can't remember which one it was now. I normally just have this preset. So I'm going to go to, let's listen to Dan.
Las ideas son los...
Oh, he's not, he's Spanish. Scroll back up to the top up here, let's get an English speaking. George Warm, let's go with this one.
God has given you one face, and you make...
That'll do, so I'll go with George, okay? Then I'm going to scroll down, and look, you can play around with this as much or as little as you like. You can change, you can add image transitions, sound effects, loads more stuff. You can even add background music, okay? And it's the same concept as the voices up here. Just scroll down to our background music. you can go into the different categories and you can just listen to them and play them. So let's go in here. We've got easy listening. Let's just say we want, I don't know, 2. That'll do. But I want it on low. So I'm going to click on that. Okay. Done, done, done. Generate video. Now I think we can agree. That is straightforward and simple. Oh, hang on. It's not doing it because I've not given it a title. Let's just go with this. Let's just go. I'm just going to put YouTube example for you. There we go. So we're happy with that. We're happy with that. Done, 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 done. Generate video. There we go. So now it's going to generate the video for me. Literally takes a few minutes. Okay? Straightforward and simple. Now you don't have to use Syllabi. There's lots of other video generators you can use. I use it because it's simple, it's easy, and we use it for TikTok, YouTube, and loads of other things. Okay? But the whole concept is we're creating a faceless video and we're directing the traffic over to a digital product. Okay? So whilst that is going ahead and building, let's talk about the landing page. This, oh, not this one. This one where we're sending people to. Okay. Now, if you don't have a product, you can get ChatGPT to create a product for you. You can even go on Etsy and you can buy products with something called master resale rights. And what that means is you can buy the product and then you've got the rights to it. You can sell it, you can edit it, you can do what you want with it basically. Okay. But what we would do is once we have got a product, we would come over here into Beacons here. And again, this is free. You'd come into Beacons and where it says link in bio on website over here, you'd click on that. And then you've got over on the right hand side here, you've got a preview of how it would look on a mobile phone. Okay. And all you're doing is over on the left hand side over here, or at the top up here, you just click on add block and then it will go into your page over here. So if I click on add block, watch, it's going to say to me, right, what are you selling here or what are you putting on here? So for this, we would say we are doing a digital product. I would click on add. Then it will ask me the layout. Do I want it as a large card, a grid, etc. So let's just go with large card. I click on that. And then it's going to open up over here for me. And then all we're doing is we're just filling in this information. Okay, so we're going to go with create a product. We're going to be selling a digital product. We click on that. It opens up. Then it asks you for some really basic stuff. So title, click on here, come over here, change the title. Click on here, change the price, set the price to what you want. Give it a description, upload an image. You can upload multiple images, by the way. And then once you've done all of that and you click on next and you publish it, this is how it looks over on the front end. So for example, like viral video clone, if I click on that, you will see when we go into this, we've got our image, we've got our title, we've got our price, we've also got our description down here. And this is literally the process of how we do this. We decide on a category or a niche. Once we have done that, we then create products or we buy products or we put a product together. And then once we've got that product, we then list it over on Beacons. We build out a store on Beacons, which is free. It will just take a bit of time and effort. Once you've built out your store, this is it all good to go. We then move on to using TikToks and Facebooks and YouTube videos to drive traffic from those videos over to your store and then or your community or wherever basically. But this is the concept and it's all done faceless. So other than you lot watching this now, nobody would know whose account this is over on TikTok. And this is an example channel, okay? We've got multiple channels on TikTok where we're putting out this type of content, driving them to different affiliate products, different communities, and lots more, okay? So if I now go back over here into Syllabi, this is still rendering. Let me refresh the page, and we'll see if the video is done. Should be. Let me just check the time. Got the school run soon. So there we go, look. This is the video done. So we'll go into it, and we'll look at it together. So I'm going to hit on play.
Have you ever wondered about the power of a faceless brand? In today's digital age, crafting an online presence without showing your face offers unparalleled freedom and privacy. It allows you to...
I think we can agree. It looks great. It sounds great. The thing what I like about this software as well is whenever you're creating a video script inside of here, and it creates the video for you. All of the images in here, they're not stock images. It is literally creating each scene within the video unique for you. So you're not going to be getting copyright claims or anything like that. It's all done individually. There's loads more stuff you can do inside of here. You can edit the video, you can add motion to this, you can play around with it until your heart's content. So if you want to click on edit video, it will break it down into individual scenes for you, and you can go in, you can change, you can have it regenerate. You can see up here the image, you can have it regenerate the image, you can add motion to this, you can add in more audio, subtitles, visuals. Again, you can play around with it as much as you want, okay? I tend not to because I'm lazy. What I tend to do is I download these and then I'll upload them onto TikTok with a trending sound in the background maybe, or on YouTube Shorts and other platforms. But once you're happy with it, you just come up here and you click on download. Once that video is downloaded, we then go over to TikTok and we upload that video. And at the end of the video, we've got the call to action where we're telling people to check out our website, check out our community, etc. We've got our link up here. Over on TikTok, you need 1,000 followers to get a link, a clickable link in your bio, but you don't on YouTube, you don't on Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest. So you can take this one video and you can put it on multiple platforms. And I highly recommend you do that, because why wouldn't you? You've got one video, what's the point of just wasting it on one platform? Put it onto multiple platforms. And look, that there is the straightforward and simple way you can do this. It will not cause burnout. If you're using a piece of software like Syllabi over here, it's straightforward. And look, I'm going to give you another free resource, okay? So if you was to go to Not Taught at School / what is it, 4-day YouTube challenge, this little freebie over here, it's a 4-day training. Every day we send you a new video and we show you how to pick a niche, pick a category, how you can find different affiliate products. If you didn't want to create your own beacon store over here, we show you how you can do this exact method, but be directing traffic over to affiliate offers. There's loads of stuff we cover in that 4-day free training. And then the final one is, if you are over in the community Faceless Freedom, we've broken this down a hell of a lot more inside of this here, inside of method 1. It's free. If you're not in Faceless Freedom, come and join us. So again, in here, we'll break it all down for you. We cover everything. We even give you custom GPTs to put hook generators in here and how to optimize your video once it's done, and absolutely loads more. But look, that is today's video. It's straightforward, it's simple, it's faceless. As always, it just takes time, effort, and consistency.